Hi, I'm Edmund Lamprecht from Harcourts Hartenbos, and this property is a great investment opportunity. This fully operational business sits in a beautiful 10-hectare erf with ample space and a beautiful dam. With a liquor license and operating facilities, you're ready to operate immediately. On-site accommodation for staff and for guests conveniently situated at this beautiful business site. Only 14 kilometers from the George Airport, this business is ideally situated. Call me today for personal viewing.